bit of an experiment on this because normally I cover the face with contact paper, shelf liner, and then I pour. But I want to do a pour in her face. So I had to outline my drawing with, I just used these acrylic pens. I forget what they're called and I forgot what brand. I think they might be Artisan. They're acrylic painters. Anyway, so I'm hoping it's an experiment. Let's just see what happens. All right. Alrighty. Yeah, I think that's going to work out. Try to remember where that other eyebrow was. Okay. She looks a little scary right now, but we're not done. That's what we did without contact paper. But this is going to be quite an abstract. So I've got my vision. Let's see if I can pull it off. Let's do the rest. I've got got my color choices. I've got African violet, teal, ocean green, Copenhagen blue, and I have a magenta and gold. All right, so these are all pre-mixed, and I am just going to do some puddle pours. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be blowing this out, going upward like this. Okay, let me decide. I won't be doing puddle pours. Maybe I'll do a couple puddle pours. Boy, this is an experiment. We'll worry about this later. I need something up in here, but I'm thinking it's going to be hair. I haven't done that part yet. It's a little busy. Too busy. Okay, so we'll do the hair up here, right? Or all right, I guess I can let you come in for a close-up look. There's still much to do, and I've got to let it sit for a while before I think I do anything else to it. Okay, the view from the top. I think I showed you the face. Okay, and then this corner. Then we get into this splash of color. Look at that lacing. Just beautiful things happening. And the cloudy effect over here. More lacing. So I really am loving this color combination and background composition. Let's hope that when I do the hair and the face, I don't ruin it. I'm very sorry I didn't film this. I didn't know I was going to do it, so I didn't have my camera set up, but I just decided to take these paper towels and wet them and sweep some hair follicles into the face area. I still might play with it. But anyway, I just wanted to do that and then see what it looked like. And I'm happy with the result of doing that. So far so good. Okay, I started painting the lips and realized I should probably record. So I'm recording. Okay, I'm going to wait till the lashes for last. This needs to dry, so I'm going to wait for that. Okay, I did the lashes, and I just used these acrylic paint pens. They're really cool. They've got the brushes on them, and it's really, you can really control where you want this, like that. So I did the lashes, but I want to actually do a little brush painting here with gold. I'm going to use the Artisan. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. This is gold. So I am just going to, I want to bring some gold here and there. And so I mean, this is beautiful as it is to me, but I just can't seem to leave it alone. So I am just going to play with some brush strokes. Okay, now I think I'll leave it alone. Yeah. I don't want to add too much. All right. I'll bring you in for a close-up. One last detail. I want the eyes to sparkle. Debating what to do some in here. So here she is finished. I want to see if you can see the shimmer that the gold Artisan has done. It just, see how it shimmers? Really, I think tied in the gold that's happening here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, you can't see this dark splash there. The lacing. All right. I'm going to call that a done. I hope you enjoyed watching.